Hey there, and welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the system that I've been using to make money from home with MyEcon and the funnel team marketing and training system. Thank you for checking it out. Hi, my name is Jason, so let's dive right in, and I'll share my screen with you. So in this video, it's going to show you exactly how to make money online with MyEcon and our funnel team marketing and training system. This is a method that has helped thousands make their first sale ever and create a full-time income from home. You're going to learn how to actually make money online, what you actually have to do to make money online, and how you can get started with me and the funnel team. So maybe you're asking, does this really work? I'm going to show you some proven results. Can this work for anyone? Absolutely. I have never done this type of thing before, so if I can figure it out, so can you. What if you tried and failed before? This system can work for you. We have a marketing and training system that is set up for you and your success in mind, and you don't have to pay for a dime for it. What if I don't have a following? Well, we're going to show you how to get one. One of the bonuses you get will actually teach you how to get one, along with our live training that you get 5 times every single week. Here's some proven results for you. Angela has made $1,213 in just 1 week with consistent weeks of over $1,000 each. Justin made over $1,200 in just 1 week. Dios is crushing it with over $25,000 in just 7 weeks. And then Cedric over here with $25,000 in just 5 weeks. Here's some screenshots from our funnel team results page. Celeste says, getting people to the webinar works. Literally made a sale before the webinar was over. Brian got a second lead from YouTube short and closed the sale. Catherine said, before I went to bed last night, this is what my inbox looked like, and it's all thanks to the funnel team marketing and training system. Audrey also got her first sign up within her first week of being in the system. Clint was making sales during his kids' football game, and Shannon had a sale within minutes of the webinar ending. I also posted about one of my sales, which was from the webinar, and Don says, consistency and patience is key. The only way to fail is to quit on yourself. And check this out. We have 5,500 members in our private Facebook group. And that's given us an 85% retention rate, meaning our members are making sales using our methods. 85% is unheard of in the industry. So you're probably thinking, that's great. You have a proven and convert system, but how do you actually make money? And it's really simple. We sell a digital membership. Imagine having thousands of people pay you every single month just by referring them to a membership, like your gym membership or Netflix, Hulu, places like BJ's or Costco. Well, that's what you're about to tap into, my friend. So what is the digital membership that we're offering? They're products and services designed to help you make and save more money. Easy as that. So this is what's included in your digital membership. Income shifting, which is a tax strategy to put up to 15% more income into your paycheck at your regular 9 to 5, so you can keep more of your hard-earned money. Credit repair, and that's going to help you take care of your credit score. It's going to help you go from poor to fair, fair to good, or even good to great. And it's the most effective credit repair software on the planet. With the debt elimination software, you'll be able to utilize the best system and strategies online today and drastically eliminate your debt in a short amount of time. Now, tax minimization will teach you the best strategies right now to reduce the amount of taxes you're paying each and every year and put more money back into your pocket. And that's not all. The cash flow manager is going to help you manage all your personal and business finances through an app, and you're going to learn how to take advantage of up to 200 tax deductions as a home-based business owner. It's highly recommended that you get a tax professional for that to help you so that you can utilize all of your new benefits as an owner. Then you have investment education training, where you're going to learn how to make your money do the work for you. You'll learn the best income strategies so you can make money while you sleep as your money is working for you. So your digital membership comes with over $1,000 in training, education, and services to help you make and keep more of your hard-earned money. The income shifting, credit repair, debt elimination, tax minimization, cash flow manager, and investment training. So the membership sounds nice, right? But how do you actually share the business and earn commissions? We provide a 100% free proven and convert sales system and training to convert leads into sales. We give you everything you need to make money online, all your training, your sales funnels, email follow-up for your leads. We give you viral content, proven and convert marketing. You get added into our sales rotators. You get a literal business in a box that you can run from an app on your phone. Our system has helped 10,000 people create sustainable income right from the comfort of their home. Why does our method and system work so well? Well, because we have proven and convert methods and irresistible value, my friend. Now here's a little screenshot from our funnel team marketing and training site. We're going to give you step-by-step guidance from day one, simple directions of what you actually do. It's all yours for free. You literally start at the top and watch this first. The next section down, you're going to download your app and get your affiliate link. Next is to start promoting, where you learn how to share your link. Next section down, we're going to show you how to effectively use your digital membership. After that, we expect that you'll be making sales. So we're going to show you what to do when you start making those sales. You plug your new member in and we train them for you. Then you have your bonus section where you're going to get access to 3 additional courses for free to help you grow and scale your business. Now, it's important to know that these systems are not free, my friend. Our training site and funnels are hosted with ClickFunnels, and that costs $297 a month. It has hundreds of hours of training and funnels, but it's all yours for free. We handle all of your email marketing for you. That membership is $636 a month, and we email your leads for you. It's yours for free. We give you a custom business app where you can run your entire business for free. Your business app has all the training, the funnels, and also holds all your leads for you, so everything is in one place. I mentioned the 3 free training courses earlier. These courses get sold on the side. YouTube University is $500. Social Mastery Blueprint is $700. Scalability Pro is $1,000, but it's all yours for free. If you're into posting ads on Craigslist, you can use our Craigslist posting software to post multiple ads on Craigslist without getting shut down. Also yours for free with our system. Or do you want us to help you make sales? We're actually going to put you into our free sales rotator. We're going to share your link for you, and that's also yours for free. Add it all up, and that's $10,909 in free value just for activating your membership. Now, just a little recap. We're giving you everything you need to make money online. All of your training, your sales funnels, email follow-up, viral content, the marketing, a sales rotator. It's a literal business in a box, and it's worth $10,909, and you get it all for free. At the time of this video, you can activate your digital membership for just $9.95, then $39.95 a month, and just one sale a month will put you into positive profit. But we're going to help you make more than just one sale per month. Now, the $9.95 is a promotional price through the end of the year. So if you're thinking about MyEcon as a way to supplement your income now is the perfect time to take action. So now the ball is in your court. Do you want to stay the same, or do you want to activate your membership? If you want to activate your membership, I've left the enrollment link in the description of this video down below. You can also feel free to text me with any questions. Just let me know your name and that you saw this video. Thanks for watching, my friend, and take care.